black mic or the sisters' mics, just have the volunteers raise their hands.
Any non-Muslim ladies are most welcome to ask the question. And if there are any non-Muslim in the audience, please feel free to come up on the microphone. It's your opportunity. And as previous times I've come to Chennai, alhamdulillah, all the questions were asked by non-Muslims. So I hope even now the non-Muslims of Chennai, mashallah, they're bold enough. You can ask any question, even if it's a criticism. Even if you disagree with whatever I say, no problem, come up and ask the question. Believe me, I'm young, but I can take it. You can criticize the Quran, you can criticize Islam. Please come up on the microphone and have the doubt cleared. This is the opportunity.
And there you've heard it from the man himself. So your name and occupation, please.
Hello everybody, my name is Ramakrishnan. I'm a software engineer. I have two questions for you. The first is, what does Islam say about donating organs after death? Is it okay or is it prohibited? Second question is, what does Islam say about atheists? That's it.
The brother has two questions. I think non-Muslim are one they're asking two, no problem. The first question is, what does Islam say about donating organs? Second question is about atheists. As far as the first question is concerned, what does Islam say about donating organs? There's no direct verse in the Quran or any Sahih Hadith which says whether organs can be donated or not. But there are various conferences that have held in Saudi Arabia, in Malaysia, and various different parts of the world. And the scholars have come to a common consensus that if three things are fulfilled, then organs can be donated. Number one, the person who requires an organ, but natural, it should be a major benefit to his health. He can receive organ as long as it's a major benefit or saves his life. Point number two, the person donating the organ, after he donates the organ, it should not be a major loss to his health. For example, if I donate my heart, I will die. So I can't donate my heart. But the doctors say that out of 2 kidneys present, a person can even survive with 1 kidney. So if my mother has a kidney failure, both the kidneys have failed, I can very well donate my 1 kidney to my mother. Even she lives, even I live. But naturally, after a person dies, if he wants to donate any other organ, that is permissible. But if he's alive, he should not donate any part of the body which will cause a major damage to his health or a loss of life. And the third criteria is, it should not be for money. No one should sell organ. If all these 3 conditions are fulfilled, then organ donation very well can be done. As far as the second question is concerned, what does Islam have to say about atheists? As far as I'm concerned, whenever I meet an atheist, are you an atheist, brother? He said no. Whenever I meet an atheist, the first thing I do is I congratulate that atheist. People may wonder that why is ZAKIR congratulating atheists? The reason I'm congratulating atheists is because most of the human beings, they usually do blind belief. He is a Hindu because father is Hindu. He is a Christian, father is a Christian. Many Muslims are Muslim because father is a Muslim. Now this atheist, he's thinking. He may be coming from a religious background. His father may be pious. But he does not believe that how can there be a God who requires to eat, a God who can die, a God who can lie. So the reason I congratulate the atheist is because he has said the first part of the Islamic Shahada, Islamic creed, La ilaha, that there is no God. The only thing I have to do is illallah, but Allah, which I shall do inshallah. So half my job is done. To a non-Muslim who believes in some other God, first I have to prove to him that the God he's worshipping is wrong. And after I prove to him that the God he's worshipping is wrong, then I have to prove to him about the correct God. Here, the atheist, half my job is done. He already agrees in the first part of the Islamic Shahada, La ilaha, there is no God. The only thing I have to do is illallah, which I shall do inshallah. The first question asked to the atheist is that, what is the definition of God? If anyone says